Okay, so now the tough questions for somebody like me. Going to the grocery store, what do I look for in terms of picking out my mussels to take home and cook?
Well, if that's the tough question, life is easy. So, mussels are one of the easiest seafoods to buy. You go in, you want to see that the shells are intact. No broken shells. You want to see that they have a little sheen to them, that they're moist, that they've been kept moist. And importantly, you want to see that they're firmly closed like this. That indicates that the animal is still alive and still in a fresh state. All of the liquid, all of those wonderful juices and flavors are still in there. If you do see a mussel like this, because they do breathe air, if you just give it a tap, you will see that a live mussel will close. So, you don't want to see a whole lot of those in the bag, but the other good thing about seafood really is that the best way to determine the quality is if everything around it looks fresh and clean, chances are that this is going to be too.
Sure, good indicator. Okay.
Visit seafoodforthefuture.org for recipes and to learn more about marine aquaculture and the people who are innovating its future.